Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Equinox at the Pyramid of the Feathered Serpent. So what do we see here? Well, here in the foreground, here on Earth, we do see the Pyramid of the Feathered Serpent, and that is on Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. And as we can see, this is a pyramid and was built between the 9th and 12th centuries. Now, ancient monuments like this were often tied to calendars and making the calendar. And that is one of the very important things with things like this pyramid, as well as other ancient monuments, one of the better known ones being Stonehenge. Now we see the pyramid here, and if you look at this pyramid around the time of the equinox during the day, then you can actually get images going down the side of it that resemble a serpent. And whether it was designed so that this would work that way around the time of the equinox, or if this was just a coincidence of the way the pyramid happened to be built and aligned, that on the days around the equinox, the shadows cast by parts of the pyramid itself will almost give the view of a serpent traveling down the central portions of the pyramid. Now, while many civilizations devise their calendars based on apparent motions of the sun and the moon, the Mayan civilization here actually used the planet Venus, the brightest star-like object in the sky, instead of the even brighter sun or moon. So it shows a little bit about how different cultures look at things differently and may select different objects of importance that are used for developing their calendars. Now, the pyramid is not the only thing we see here, and we can see up in the sky a number of stars and our own Milky Way stretching diagonally from upper left down to lower right. And some of the brighter objects there, the brightest object we see is the planet Jupiter. And Jupiter in the center here, directly above the pyramid, is actually vastly overexposed in the image because of how bright it is. And it would not appear near that large in the sky only because of the longer exposure, collecting more light and making it appear bigger in the sky. Now off to the left, we do see the planet Saturn. So we're seeing the two outermost planets that would have been visible at the time that this pyramid was built. At that time, we didn't know about the two outermost planets in the solar system. Uranus and Neptune had yet to be discovered at this point. And then a little farther to the right of Jupiter, we see the bright star Antares, the bright star at the heart of the Scorpion in the constellation of Scorpius. So we get to see not only the pyramid, but up above in the sky, two planets and a number of stars, including the bright star Antares. So that was our picture of the day, titled Equinox at the Pyramid of the Feathered Serpent. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Dancing Galaxy. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.